With 5G-enabled innovative technologies, safety and productivity of the construction industry can now be uplifted to the next level. Tower cranes play a crucial role in construction sites. Their productivity can make or break a project's timeline. A tower crane's height means any accident and collisions can result in very serious injuries or death of the workers in sites. This may also lead to severe financial impacts as a result of project delays or penalty, and even a site shutdown. To avoid these critical consequences, 1010 introduced a 5G-oriented anti-crane collision solution to optimize safety, improve productivity and efficiency in construction sites. 5G's low-latency characteristic makes real-time kinematics and 3D modeling possible. It empowers instant communications among the IoT sensors to measure cranes' movement and direction and predict potential accidents, providing a real-time immediate on-site alert to crane operators to avoid clashing. Crane activities are recorded and stored, enabling further analysis and investigation to prevent further risks in the future. The solution is designed for quick and easy deployment, a truly flexible and adaptable solution to deploy in any construction project. It was already in use in MTR Shatin to Central Link and Cheklap-Kok subsea tunnel sites, with a full suite of innovative construction solutions, including IoT, wearables, 5G drones, AI video analytics, tower crane, and machinery monitoring solutions. Backed by the strongest hybrid connectivity, including 5G and advanced fixed solutions. HKT 1010 is dedicated to supporting the construction industry to ensure on-time project delivery, total safety, and maximized productivity.